Hey guys, so in today's video we will learn how to delete a document from Cloud Firestore. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's create a document here. Let's name it doc123 and let's name is equals to cheese. Okay, then let's create a new form here to represent the delete one. Let's use break here and let's change the placeholder and the name tag. Okay, document id and doc id here, and let's name it delete. And from here we have to use these because we have two forms here, and we have to use query selector all here, and then copy it and paste here, and we have to use this here too, and let's name it 1. As you know, the array starts from 0 in JavaScript. Okay, let's delete these. Okay, and then db dot collection, the collection name, which is sweets, and then doc. Okay, we have an input field, and then let's use this. I mean the form second form, from second form name, it's doc id dot value dot, as we used dot add to add, get to get, and to delete we have to use dot delete. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's reload this page. Okay, let's doc123, hope this will work. Okay, this is working. The doc id the document which had an id of doc123 has been deleted. So let's try on this. Let's copy it. Okay, we have to copy it. Okay, let's copy it. Let's copy this and let's make a side by side window. Okay, let's paste this here. Okay, you can see here the document was labeled as red in red color and it has been deleted.